Good morning to all my students. Take out your new Radiant Readers Class 7 book. Today I will start the new chapter. The name of the chapter is Raja Bhoji 1. In a certain province in India, there is an ancient tree that sheds a little pool of water even in the hottest and driest season. So in India there was a tree that sheds a pool of water. Water was there even in the hottest and driest season. There is always water to be found there. So every time you will find there water, and the beasts of the jungle and the birds can be sure of finding cool water to quench their thirst. So the birds, okay, and the animal is finding cool water, okay, to fulfill their thirst. When all other places are dry, so all the places where dried, the leaves of this tree grow thick. So the leaf of this tree is very thick and its shade is deep. So its shade also is deep. But not only are the roots built about with earth and stone to keep in the moisture, but they reach down towards the spring of bubbling water that rises in the middle of the pool. So water is making bubbles is also creating in the pool. On the stones at the foot of the tree there was placed very long ago a stone idol. So an idol was placed, okay. It has been deserted for many years. No one passes that way. So that way nobody passes where there was an idol. No one lays offering of jasmine on it, for the place is lonely, and that place was very lonely, means alone, nobody visit there. Besides, it has earned the evil name of being visited by a tiger that kills men. So it is believed that nobody is going there. Tiger has in that place has killed the man there, okay. The place is the haunt of a lonely jackal. So jackal is there who had been cast out of the pack to which he belonged. Because of his great conceit and his unpleasant ways, he decided to make this place his home. So this lonely place jackal has made his home, and the idol his throne, and he has made this idol as his throne, and to give himself importance named himself Raja Bhoji, and he has changed his name from jackal to Raja Bhoji. Not content with naming himself, the jackal hunted about for something that might show his worth to any animal who came down to the pool to drink. So animal were coming to drink the water. So before drinking, they have to say the name of jackal. And what was his name? Raja Bhoji. There were many such animals, for the rains were late in coming. They were animals who were coming very late, and the other pools visited by the thirsty jungle folk had dried up. So other pools also got dried, but this pool was not dried. Water was there. So in his search, the jackal discovered a pair of shoes. So jackal got a shoes that had been cast away, or more probably had belonged to a victim devoured by the tiger. So tiger has killed the man. That person shoes it could be, who was said to live near the ancient tree. Their shoes he picked up and carried off to his place of abode. So he has taken the shoes and carried. He hung one of them on his ear. So he has hung the shoes on his ear, and into the other he thrust his front paw. So he has hung the both of the shoes in his ear. So before closing the video, I would like to give you homework. Your homework will be, you will do this exercise found, okay, 3 number exercise you will do. This is your homework. Deep, shallow, foolish, wise, ancient, recent, timid, bold. So you can see in the picture jackal is there, and shoes is he is hanging the shoes in his ear. and this is a idol. Okay, that's